In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a template in Docusign. This simple process will allow you to collaborate more effectively with your team and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign homepage. This is like your control center for managing all your documents. Once you're there, look for the Templates tab. It's usually located at the top of the page, and clicking it will open a section dedicated to templates you've saved or created. Templates are a great way to standardize forms, which is especially useful if you're repeatedly sending similar documents to different recipients. Now, navigate to My Templates, which provides you with a list of templates that are specifically yours. These are the templates that you've either created yourself or ones that have been shared with you. This section makes it easy to access all your resources in one location. Scroll through your list and select the template you'd like to share. You'll notice that each template has a small menu symbolized by 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. It's here where you will find additional settings and actions you can perform related to that particular template. Next, within this drop-down menu, select Share with Users. By doing this, you are indicating your intent to share this template with other users within your organization. This option helps you extend the utility of the template, making the workflow more seamless as others in your team can use and modify it according to their needs. After selecting Share with Users, you'll need to specify the individuals or groups you wish to share the template with. Click on Users, which will allow you to see a list of people in your organization. This step is crucial as it enables you to manage who has access to your templates. Now, you need to choose the specific user or users you want to share the template with. Simply select the desired individuals from the list. Once you've selected the users, the next action is to click on the Share button. This final step effectively grants them access to the template, allowing them to view or modify it depending on the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. You've successfully shared a template in Docusign. By doing so, you've empowered your collaborators with a tool that can optimize their processes, making document management more efficient and aligned across your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Docusign experience.